we're in a town called Nardo, and my book is out. So I had this fun idea to put together 5 outfits inspired by 5 recipe photos from the book. I don't know if you know this about me, but I'm not really much of a fashionista, surprise, surprise. So, I thought that this would be a fun challenge for myself. La belle figure, right? It all began in Trani. 5 new outfits, 5 photo shoots. Let's see how this goes. So this is my book. I can't believe it's a real thing. I traveled all around England for it, working in cheese shops and also living in a farmhouse and making cheese and, cuddling with goats. I traveled all around Italy for the wine section, making wine, drinking a lot of wine, and I went to France for bread and baked so much delicious stuff. I loved making these recipes. And for this challenge, I decided to pick 5. 1, cheddar brownies. 2, tortellini in brodo. 3, spaghetti all'ubriaco, red wine pasta. 4, white wine and olive oil cake with red wine buttercream frosting and boozy mascarpone filling. 5, sourdough bread. Could I do this though? I wear the same running shoes and hoodies every day. I needed some help. So I enlisted my friend Natalie, who really has the fashion thing down. I'm recording this just so you know. So let's just set the record straight with how I have always performed fashionably or not fashionably in our decades-long friendship together.
Katie, you're not bad.
I need help though. I need help. Natalie had some great tips. Now, I just had to figure out how to buy clothes in a pandemic. This was way harder than I thought it would be. All right, I've been working on ordering some more things for the other outfits, and then I realized I should really write down, because there are enough elements that honestly I can just picture getting the clothes and then being like, what did I get this for again? Now the only thing left to do is shoot. First up, these are my cheddar cheese brownies. It's a fantastic recipe. I eat them way too much. To be honest, I needed to find a way to match the texture of the top of the brownies and the chunks of the cheese within the brownies. I picked these great leopard print pants that I knew would do the job. So we hit the town for our first shoot. So we're just kind of out walking around on the search for a good location. I think it could work. I've got my helper. Hi, Connor. He's helping me. He's gonna be the photographer. This is my tortellini recipe. It's inspired by my time in Bologna, and I make this broth with Parmesan rinds. You heard me right. I feel like a true Italian no-no when I make this, and I'm feeling pretty confident about the outfit I picked out for this one. All right, just put on this outfit. The hat, the bag is gonna pile together. Let's go shoot. Obviously, I'll take off my coat. The red wine pasta is one of my favorite recipes from my book. It is just delicious and simple, and who doesn't love to cook with red wine? All right, so I scouted a location for this shoot. We're doing the red wine pasta.
A delicious dish.
Oh yeah. Okay, for these last 2 recipe shoots, we needed a change of scenery. So we hopped in the car and drove 2 hours south to Nardo, this tiny town in Salento. It was a great escape. We hiked, we went to towers on cliffs, and we stayed in this amazing little Airbnb my friend Allison owns called Il Cubo. So for this next photo shoot, it's all about this cake, this white wine and olive oil cake with this incredible boozy red wine frosting. I just love this so much. And by now, I'm feeling like I got the hang of this whole matching outfits to recipes. Don't forget your mask. We're off hitting the mean streets of Nardo. Just kidding, they're not mean streets at all, actually. It's a very cute little town. Last one. For this bread shoot, we needed a white background, and luckily up on the roof of Allison's place, we found the perfect spot. But before we could have the photo shoot, we needed to get my clothes looking good, and Connor was all over it.
I used to work at J. Crew and I hated linen for this exact reason.
It's hard to get the wrinkles out.
When you told me that you got linen pants, I shuddered.
2, 1. That's it! I can't believe it's real! And a huge thanks to the incredible women I worked with on these recipe shoots. 2 women I'm honored to call my friends, Charlotte Hu and Izzy Hosek. We had a lot of fun together.
That looks like you're actually eating it, which is important.
And thanks to Connor for becoming a fashion photographer just for this project. Well, that was fun. All right, everyone, don't forget to buy my book everywhere books are sold. Thank you to the Quirky Club, my Patreon community who makes all of my videos possible. And shout out to Kubo, this fantastic Airbnb we stayed at in Nardo. I'm leaving a link in the description box below. Don't forget to keep it quirky. Bye.